Simmons Machine Tool Corporation has been hosting events at our manufacturing facility in Albany, New York called Machine Demo Days. During these events, we invite current and potential clients to view demonstrations of our wheel set maintenance and production equipment. The focus can be new products, updates to specific machines, or automated systems in action, like this automated wheel set mount cell. While visitors are here, they can also tour our facility and meet the people that design, manufacture, and support our equipment. We'll be organizing more machine demo days in the future. We hope you can attend.